if you watched my previous videos, you would see I have provided an EAT script that you'll be using to write your blog post on Blogger, all right, and even on WordPress. So today's video is an update. Also, I'm trying to give you on how to use this script again in order to generate blog posts that is going to get you Google AdSense approval. All right, so let's go right into this video. I'm Myke Educate, by the way. All right, so you are going to sign into your ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT dashboard. All right, so once you open your ChatGPT, this is what you're going to do. I want you to download the script that I have provided in the description box again. Yes, from the previous video I provided. So once you have downloaded it, I want you to open it in your text editing tool. I'm using Sublime Text. You can use Notepad also, by the way. So if you download the script, you're going to see something like this, where you have insert topic or insert title or something like that. Yes. So you're going to only remove that section from the script. All right, perfect. Then I want you to come to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, I want you to click on project. You'll be creating a project that is only going to be used in writing only blog posts to get Google AdSense approval. Perfect. So you're going to click on project. Once you're on project, I want you to select writing. Once you select writing, I want you to name this as any name that you want. I'll be choosing EAT writing blog post. All right, so once you have selected a name for that, click on create project. So the project is going to be created. Now, this is what you're going to do. I want you to send this to ChatGPT. All right, so this is what you're going to type to ChatGPT. So you're going to tell ChatGPT that you provide a script to ChatGPT and they should add it to the memory of this project. All right, so once you have entered that, click on enter or send, and ChatGPT says yes, I understand. All right, so let's provide ChatGPT our script. So I want you to go to your text editing and then select all the script that I provided for you in the file. All right, then I want you to paste that here. Perfect. So we've pasted our script into the message box of ChatGPT. You're going to send that to ChatGPT. So it says updated saved memory. All right, so got it, and it's actually telling you that you have given it a script that it will be writing for as a professional SEO focused blog writer on Google AdSense approval, and it will be using EEAT checklist, the experience, perspective, and then that for you with other sections also as well. All right, so once you have done that, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to enter this again to ChatGPT. All right, so you're going to tell ChatGPT that it is going to either ask for a title or a rewrite, and you're going to add, do you understand? All right, so do you understand? All right, so once you enter do you understand, then I want you to send that to ChatGPT. All right, so when you send that to ChatGPT says yes, I understand, and from now on, when it is writing an article for you, that is, it is going to ask you for a title or a topic, or it is going to ask you for a content that you're going to rewrite. All right, so if you don't have any article to copy from and then rewrite, then you want ChatGPT to write an article for you using this particular script. You don't need to copy the script from this section, add a title before you try making ChatGPT write an article for you. No, you only need to come to this section and ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about a particular topic that you want. So, for example, I would be like, okay, so write an article on top top technologies to use in the pharmacy, and hit enter. All right, and based on the scripts that we provided with ChatGPT, says, do you want a new article or do you want a rewrite? So I need a new article, right? So a new article. There are situations whereby it will start writing, and there are situations whereby you will be asked this particular kind of question. All right, so it says, please provide the article title you want me to write on. All right, so top, that is what they suggested. All right, so let me just copy that. As I said, there are situations whereby it will automatically start writing for you, and there are situations whereby it will ask you these questions so you can go through in order for it to get you the right content for your blog post. All right. So I have sent the title to ChatGPT and this is it. It has started writing our blog post for us. So top technologies transforming modern pharmacy practices. All right. And then that is the same as the top technologies that can be used in the pharmacy. So it gives case studies. All right. It gives a lot of features, key points, important messages that will help you in order for Google to approve. I think it provides you with comparison tables on traditional, and then that is perfect about this is one thing I like about this script. All right. So I think you would have to copy this using this section. Yes, anytime you write a blog post, I want you to be using this section copy that and then sending that to ChatGPT. If you ask me why I'm talking about that, I'll show you at the end of this video. All right. Then another one, since we have this is a title that was being generated from that. All right. So we can also copy a blog post from other blogs and then send it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to rewrite them for us also as well. So now back to what I was saying. Now, why am I saying you should be using this button to write your blog post? All right. Let me click on this and let me show you something. When you click on copy, when you come to blogger and then you come to new post, what you copied, when you paste it over here, this is what you're going to see. All right. But when you click on this section, edit the HTML view, this is how it's going to look like. So if you go through, you would see your heading tag. Every tag within is accurate. Yes, everything is well looking perfect for you. Yes, it is well arranged with the tags and everything. Then let me show you another thing also again. Now, instead of me using this copy button, let me just right click and then copy from this section like that. All right. So, oops. So let me go down. All right. Let me copy to the section. Perfect. Let me right click and then copy that. Now, when you come to your blog post again, and then let me remove it from here and then paste it in again. So I'm selecting that, removing it. Then I'm going to paste that. It's oh, no, well done. All right. Let me remove this from there. I want everything to be normal. All right. So it's on normal and then bold. All right. So let me paste that into it. All right. So it looks normal to you. Yes. When you are in the normal view mode, this is how it looks like. But when you click on the pencil tool and then that, look at how it looks like for this section. So this thing here actually would even tell bots that this article was actually written not by yourself, but maybe from a script generator, some kind of a generator or something. So you can see the tags here and then with paragraph tags and everything here. So anytime you're trying to copy from ChatGPT, make sure you are not selecting to copy, no, but you are using the copy buttons they have provided for you. So this is how the script works. Now, anytime you want to work on a new post or a new script, just come to this section and then a new post or any kind of article, yes, just come to this section and then just enter this section and then enter the title of the blog post you want to write, or copy the blog post and then paste it just here and then hit enter, and it's automatically going to start writing for you. You don't need to be providing it with the script day in, day out. Thank you for watching, by the way. As I said, I'm Myke Educate and I'm happy to have you here.